All right, in the meantime, a big crackdown on I-10 dust closures. For the last few days, we've been showing you pictures like this. Walls of dust in southeastern Arizona. The dust and dirt so bad it shut down part of the interstate several times. Now, right now, transportation officials from Arizona and New Mexico are talking about the situation down there near San Simon and the constant closures of I-10. And now, as soon as we get details on what's coming out of that meeting, we're going to let you know. The state is also turning to gorilla snot to solve the problem on I-10. 40,000 pounds of it. Now, the name is funny, but it's actually a serious thing. A Scottsdale-based dust control company is using an environmentally friendly type of glue to help keep the dust settled. And this recent dust storm that you're seeing here was from Wilcox along that same portion of I-10 that has been repeatedly closed, and where we have yet another blowing dust advisory in effect today. So that's southeast Arizona till 7 p.m. with another blowing dust advisory in effect. Winds right there not being reported at the Douglas site. Unfortunately, that site is not reporting at this hour, but you can see just from the shading on the color scheme here in the darker blues that corner of the state is feeling those strongest winds right now.